up on a cold floor, face pressed hard to the station tie. Last night blurred in a blue-red haze, swore he'd change, but it'd been a while. Plastic cup, shaking hands, paper band on his wrist so tight. Every promise he ever made fell apart before the morning light. But you pulled Billy out of the corner of the cell. You said, son, I'm not done, I can break this hell. From bottles and badges and late night fights to singing your mercy in the Sunday light. From handcuffs to glory, from ashes to a song. You were there in the damage, you were there all along. He remembers that motel Bible, dusty cover, page torn thin. Thought it was just hotel furniture till the words started breathing in. Come to me, all you who are weary. Hit his chest like a ringing bell. Tears fell hard on the bedside table. He said, if you're real, I'm tired of this jail. 'Cause you pulled Billy out of the corner of the cell. You said, son, I'm not done, I can break this hell. From bottles and badges and late night fights to singing your mercy in the Sunday light. From handcuffs to glory, from ashes to a song. You